Alright, going back to the life of a mobile mechanic. It's Wednesday. Shit! And called the customer this morning, the one that I was supposed to replace the turbo speed sensor on. Customer said the unit was here when I get here, and he's got a unit here for brakes, not a turbo speed sensor. The unit I need is about an hour away from here. So I'm gonna head to another call and then come back here later, but still charge them for the time because it's valuable. Alright, we got the repair done. I told y'all I had a road call to a Love's Travel Center. It was a Peterbilt 579 that was in DEF derate. The DEF tank sensor was defective and it wasn't reading on inside. I had to drive down to South Dallas, Hutchins area to pick up a new DEF sensor. Got it installed. Let it run for 15. Well, I had to drop the whole tank and everything. Let it run for 15 minutes. DEF code, DEF quality code, and derate both went inactive. Cleared the codes out. There was a code remaining behind for DPF differential pressure. That code is going to remain because there is not one in stock anywhere around me. So I told him to take that information, send it off to his shop. That way, by the time he gets there, he can have that sensor. It don't take me 15, maybe 20 minutes to replace it. Get that replaced. That code will go inactive. That particular code will not throw a derate, so he's good to make it back to Louisiana and then on to his base in Florida after he leaves home. But it's going to be pretty close to 5 o'clock whenever I'm done, so whenever I get back to Fort Worth, so I'm done for the day. Y'all have a good afternoon.